Hashtag short guys, real quick. Y'all see this, man? Look at this real good, okay? Who make this? This light is blinding me out. I can't tell who make it, but I had to go borrow this. I needed a slim ratchet, 3/8 ratchet from my guy. Now that's a bonus that it has a 1/4 inch on the other end. Look at this, guys. I went and borrowed this from my buddy, and by the way, he happened to be a master tech. I was like, dang man, where you get this from, man? I need me one of them. Guess what he say, guys? Freaking Harbor Freight. That's right, guys. All you guys out there, big high dollar, high power, pro master tech, super techs, y'all always dogging out Harbor Freights. Y'all know what your boy about to go do? That's right. I'm about to go. I gotta go return this, okay? But before I do, well, I'm actually done with it, so I'm gonna take him his and back, and I'm headed up to Harbor Freight to get me one. All right, now quality. I don't know. Who cares? It works. It's a 3/8 head with a 1/4 inch head. Imagine tight spots you can get in it. All right, I still got my fluffy Mexicanic Harbor Freight gift card. Yeah, it's time to utilize that right now, guys. Y'all come on with me, man. Alrighty, guys, I'm here. I think they about to close, but I'm gonna try to run in here. Y'all can see it's nighttime. Let me run in here and see if I can get this too. I want to use this sucker tomorrow. Y'all see my whereabouts. Here go my winning tool I want. What is the calendar at? What time they close? Ooh, they close at 8, guys. I gotta get it. What's up, man?
How you doing?
Hey. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're getting warm, guys. I know this ain't the Snap-on truck. I'm not looking for, cheap quality tools, guys. I'm looking for that freaking... Where that sucker at? Let's try it out here. Guys, are y'all down with the fact... Are y'all aware that Icon, which is sold inside Harbor Freight, is professional? Okay? Now, I'm not saying they on the level of a Snap-on and Matco and them guys, but yes, this is professional. Icon is professional too. They just getting distributed by Harbor Freight. So why y'all out there sleeping on? Y'all blaming every tool in here, calling every tool in here a Harbor Freight tool. No, that's not the case. Okay, now Harbor Freight is a store, distributor, things like that. So they sell tools, but you know what I'm saying? Like this stuff right here, Pittsburgh, you can blame that on Harbor Freight. I'm no big Pittsburgh fan, although I do have some Pittsburgh. Guys, I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna say it loud and clear. Yes, I am a professional mechanic. I'm an ASC, Master Tech, all that good stuff. Dealer qualified, dealer trained, you name it. I got every certificate known to man. But look what store I'm in. Okay, it's not this serious. All right, you don't have to break. And I'm talking to the new guys. My channel is online mechanic tips, so the bulk of my subscribers is pretty much DIY guys, new guys getting into the industry. So I just want to leave this message with y'all. You don't have to break the bank just to be an auto mechanic. Okay, now as you grow and your skills raise and you become professional, then proceed with cautious on the Snap-on truck or the Matco. And like I say, my buddies Snap-on distributors, so I'm not trying to take business from them. I'm just be careful, guys, on what you buy or how you spend your money as related to. I don't see that freaking. Where's that damn tool at? It's gotta be over here. Uh-oh. I gotta get this, guys. Y'all remember I broke that dude? Yeah. I gotta get him. I gotta pay him this. It was a Pittsburgh, I think. I don't know what that was, but I broke it. Taking that off of the adapter housing now. Look, guys. Every mechanic should have one of these. Y'all see that? Y'all see who make it? Pittsburgh. All right. Look at that. Every mechanic should have one of these in their toolbox. $9. Do it have to be Snap-on? Freak it. Man, don't get me started. All right, I got to find this tool. I think if I was that tool, I would live over here. They don't seem to have it, guys. Oh, no. I'm looking for that special one little tool that I borrowed from my professional mechanic buddy. I loved it so much, I want one myself. Yeah, I think it would be over here, guys. I think they out. That's a bummer. Do it. That's it right there. It go right here, guys. It was a dual drive ratchet, 2-piece. Yep. Damn, I'm gonna ask Buddy, do he got one in the back? Yep, 1/4 inch and a 3/8. That's exactly what it is. Damn, they ain't got none. Sucker. In the meantime, I'm gonna cop this. All right, so yeah, here go my gift card I won from one Mr. Fluffy Mexicanic. Y'all go check him out. I'm gonna put his channel in the upper right hand corner. All right, y'all go subscribe to my man. Hey, Fluffy, your boy. Oh, he got a little online mechanic tips from FM. $50 gift card. Thanks for the support, motivation, and advice. That is my dude. Yeah, you think I ain't about to use this? You think I'm too good for this? You think just because I got ASC, Super Tech, Master Tech, all that, you think I ain't? What? Like, what? Are you? You think I ain't gonna? Man, let me go up here and pay for this with this. Appreciate that, Fluffy. All day long. Fluffy do them lives, what they call it, raffle things. I haven't done one in a while, guys, because I'm at my goal. My goal was to hit 100,000. I'm there now, so I might do one when I hit 200. But yeah, I don't know if Fluff's still doing them or not. But that's how I won this. I was part of his live stream giveaway, raffle giveaway, and I won. Yeah. All right, I'm about to go use this card. Thanks a lot, Fluff Dog. That's what's up, man. Again, guys, I'll check y'all later.
You have to worry about that. Yeah, there's an option for.
I want it on the YouTube. Fluffy Mexicanic. Yeah, I was in his live stream.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He do live stream raffle giveaway.
Okay, cool.
I think I answered the right question or something.
There you go.
Pretty charitable.
Yeah, he cool guy. He worked for Nissan though. You know, they don't make good cars, but yeah, it is what it is.
I could put that in a separate if you'd like.
Nah, I'm good.
All right.
All right, man. Appreciate it. Real quick, guys. Let me answer a YouTube question I got online real quick. This young lady got a 2013 Charger. Okay, this is a 2014 Challenger, I think, but they pretty much the same. She was trying to figure out what kind of transmission she got. Now, I cannot tell that from where I am, all right? But I can, however, tell her how to tell, okay? Y'all see this, guys? This is called a dipstick tube, right? There's no physical dipstick, but you do, however, see a dipstick tube. If your car is equipped with a dipstick tube, your car is likely equipped with a 5-speed NAD1 transmission, okay? Yes. Now in 2013, it can go either way. 2013, 2014, there was two productions. There was two different productions. You had the ZF 8-speed transmission or the 5-speed NAD1. Okay. If you do not see any kind of dipstick of any kind, your car equipped with a ZF 8-speed transmission, rear-wheel drive transmission. All right. Just real quick on that. Dipstick, NAD1, 5-speed.